By the end of this video, you will be able to make $1,000 per day online using BlackHat CPA marketing, and this will make you consistent money online every day because those who know this secret strategy are already making hundreds of thousands of dollars online using this BlackHat CPA marketing method. It will be a complete BlackHat CPA marketing tutorial, and you can start earning from today itself. So, don't skip any part of this video because each step shown in this video is very important to make you $1,000 per day with this method. Now, first of all, I want you to come over to plrplr.com. This is already plrplr.com. Here you will find many different articles which you can use for free. For example, if you select acne, different articles related to acne will show up for you. I want you to select this one article, Acne Top 10 Facts. And it will show you the complete article on the next page. Now, we will use this article for this method. You just have to copy this article and come over to Google Docs. Google Docs help us to save our documents online so that we can use them whenever we want. Now click on Go to Docs. And then, click on this plus icon to create your new Google Docs. Now, copy the article from plrplr.com and paste it here in Google Docs. Also, copy the title of the article and paste it into Google Docs. And then, change the title from Acne Top 10 Facts to Acne Top 50 Facts. And I will explain the reason for doing this later in this video. Okay, so, the second step is to come over to cpagrip.com. This is one of the best CPA networks. And if you don't know about CPA, the CPA stands for cost per action. Which means that, if someone completes an action through your link, you make money. And the best part is that, they don't have to pay any money to complete these actions or offers. So, this is a win-win situation for both parties. On CPA Grip, there are different offers that you can promote to make money. Like downloads, mobile installs, pin submit, free surveys, email submit offers, and there are many more. Now, I want you to register yourself on CPA Grip if you don't have an account already. The registration on CPA Grip is a complicated process. So I want your complete attention for this part. You can register from the register option on the top right corner of the website. It will take you to this page. For this, you have to fill in your first name, your last name, your complete address with your country, city and zip code. And in the next box, you have to submit your phone number. And the most important one is your Skype ID. But don't worry if you don't have a Skype ID. You can create it within just 5 minutes online using your email ID and phone number. And once you create your Skype account, you will find your Skype ID in settings as your Skype name. You have to click on your Skype name and click on copy to copy your Skype ID. After that, you can paste your Skype ID here. After that, in the publisher type, I want you to select GPT. And then, you have to fill out your email, create your password, and reconfirm your password. Then, select the time zone of your country. And after selecting the time zone, check this box of terms of service. And click on register now. After that, you will be able to log into your account, which will look like this. This is the dashboard of the Fresh CPA Grip account. Here you can see the earnings of other advertisers daily. And also you can track your earnings from this box over here. And because this is a new account, this is showing no earnings right now. Now, I want you to click on Monetization Tools. And select URL File Lockers. And then on this page, click on Create New Content Locker now. It will show you the Terms of Service page. You can read the terms, and after reading, check on this box here. And click on Continue. Now you can see many customization options here. We will set up our content locker using these options. And if you don't like this template, you can choose a different template from the template option over here. As you can see, there are different templates for different offers. You can choose the one you think is suitable for your offer. But for this video, I am choosing this template. Because, in this method, we want something like human verification. Okay, so now, click on General to customize the template. First of all, give this locker a name so that you can remember it in the future. And this name is for our use only. It will not be shown on the template. I am naming it BlackHat CPA Marketing Tutorial. You can also change the text of this button from here. I will change it to Download. Now the next two boxes are good for my offer. So I am not changing them. And, in offers, I generally choose 2 offers. You can change the font type if you want to, but I am leaving it as it is for this video. And in the access time, I will choose forever because the traffic can come anytime in future also. All the other things look fine for my offer, so I will not change them. And now, the most important thing is to lock our content in this content locker. And for this, we have to paste the link of our content in this box. Now, I want you to come over to Google Docs again, where we saved the article. Now, just click on the share button right here to share the docs. Give the docs a name. For this video, I am naming it as Acne Top 10 Facts. And then, just click on Change to anyone with the link. So that anyone with the link can check out this article. Then, just copy the link from the copy button here. And click on Done. Now, come back to the cpagrip.com and paste the link here in the lock URL to lock your docs in this template. After that, you can choose the offers you want to show when someone clicks on your content locker link. And you can do this from the Show Offers option at the bottom of this website. Now I want you to select the United States in the country. And I want you to select the desktop offers only because the traffic we will use for this BlackHat CPA marketing method will come from desktops mostly. I will reveal the traffic source in the next step. So keep watching. And to select the offer, you just have to click on the star icon over here. And it will prioritize the offer. Select one more desktop offer. And then, hit save at the bottom right corner of this page. From there, you will be taken to this page. Click on Get Links to create the final link for your content locker. And then, choose the new domain for your link generation because the old one usually gets banned on most of the platforms. Now, just click Copy the link. And save it to the notepad because we will use this link in a moment. There are only few channels who teach the BlackHat methods on YouTube. So real quick, if you appreciate this effort, please like the video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on. So that I can notify you whenever I upload new and working make money strategy. And you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, make the most money. Now, the third step is to come over to our traffic source which is Fiverr.com. We will use this site to promote our offers using a BlackHat CPA marketing methods. First of all, I want you to create your fresh account on Fiverr.com. I don't recommend you to use your existing account for BlackHat methods. The registration process on Fiverr is very easy. Click on the Join button on the top right corner of the website. Then, you just have to enter your email. And click on Continue. After that, select a username and create your password for your profile. And after you log into the Fiverr.com, just confirm your email ID by clicking on the confirmation link sent to your email. And that's it. You are all set up. Now, there are two ways to promote your offers through BlackHat CPA marketing methods. And the good thing is that I will show you both the methods. So, give this video a big thumbs up because you are going to make big money using these methods. Now for the first method, I want you to click on Post a Request. From there, it will take you to the next page. Here, you have to type, "We are hiring someone who can translate English into Spanish and also who can correct mistakes." You have to translate 5 pages only, and I will also provide you with the samples. After typing this, scroll down a little bit. In Choose a Category, select Writing and Translation. And in the subcategory, choose Translation. And here, it is asking for the time of delivery. And we will select 7 days in this case. And in the next box, we have to select the budget for our project. But don't worry, we don't have to pay anything in this BlackHat method. So for now, we will select $30 as a budget. And simply click on Submit a Request. Now, we have posted our job on Fiverr. And now, many people will start sending you messages for jobs. Because $30 for 5 pages of translation is a very good deal. Basically, they will say that they will do the work for you. And you have to talk to them one-on-one. And now, I show you what you will say to them to make them complete your offer so that you can make money. But before this, I want to show you one more thing. We will come to Google Docs again, and we will create another new docs. Here, we will type, "This is a sample article, and let me know if you can do this or not." And in this sample article, we will put a link. And this link will be of our content locker. We will copy the link from Notepad and paste it here in this box. And hit apply. Now, click on the share button. And now, you have to give this doc a name. And I suggest you name the doc something like The Gary Company. Because it looks legit. Now, save the link. And copy the link. And now, whenever someone will message you on Fiverr, just tell them that this project is of 5 pages only. And I am giving you the link to first page of the project as a sample. Please translate this page and let me know whether you can do it or not. and then leave this Google Docs link. Then they will click on the link and they will complete the offers to open the link and you will get the money for this. So, this was our first method. I hope you enjoyed this step till now, and if you do so, then please like this video, that's all I am asking for. This motivates me to share with you more secret strategies to make money online. Okay, so, for the second method to make money, you have to search for English to Spanish translation in this box. Hit search. Now, click on seller details. Scroll down a little bit and select the United States in the seller lives in option. And now, you will find many freelancers from United States who will translate this for you for just $5 and you can choose from any of them. But I suggest you select the one with fewer reviews or no reviews because they will be ready to do this for you quickly and this will help you to make money fast. For example, if you open this 1 gig here, you will find the price charged by this person here. And if you scroll down, you will find the option to contact the seller. Click it. Write a message to them something like this. Hi. I am looking for an English to Spanish translator who can also correct the mistakes. I will also provide you with the first page as a sample so that you can assure me whether you can do it or not. And if this person agrees to translate the article, then you simply have to provide them with this Google Docs link. From there they will be taken to our content locker page. And after they complete the offer, we will make money. So, this was our BlackHat CPA marketing method. Thanks for watching.